Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can rename any file or folder in your Google Drive. So to rename any file or folder, let's first access our Google Drive. You can access your Google Drive either via your browser or using the Google Drive app. So once you are inside your drive, you need to navigate to that particular folder or file that you want to rename. So the best navigation is done by clicking on the My Drive button and then navigating to that particular file or folder that you want to rename. So for example, I want to rename this particular PDF file right here. So to rename any file, simply click on these three vertical dots present right here. Once you click on it, you can see the rename button, or you may also choose to press the Ctrl Alt and E key combinations. So simply click on the rename button and you can change the name to anything that you want. For example, say new name. Then once you are done typing the new name of your file, simply click on the OK button. And here you can see that the file has been renamed. If you don't want this new name, then you can undo the changes by clicking on this undo button. So that's it for this tutorial. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.